Hey guys, and welcome to another unboxing video. I've got the new Apple Watch Series 4. Literally received it this morning. I'm very excited to open it. Currently, I'm wearing the Series 3 Space Grey. I've ordered the silver this time around. I wanted a little bit of a change of colour. I think silver will stand out a lot more than any other colour. I'm not too keen on the gold. Anyway, let's get right into the box. To start off with, the box has changed itself. It's not like the previous version. This is like a cutout, but let me show you something on the back. I mean, this is like the MacBook Air fans. I don't know whether you've seen it or not, but that's what it looks like. I don't even know how to open this actually. Oh, okay, so you just pull. See, oh wow, wow. I wasn't expecting this. So wow, this is definitely unique. This is definitely different. I'm loving this. I'm so excited. I don't know if I should move this out first because I don't know if there's any more surprises. This is embossed as well, so it looks amazing. Actually, you know what? Oh, okay, there's more surprises. So you've got the Apple Watch in here, and you have this separately. So you've got the band separately and the Apple Watch box separately. Now what I'm going to do is let's just put this to one side for now. Okay, let's just look at this. So the box itself, it's been redesigned, completely remade, and I wish they did this with the new iPhones because this just looks amazing. Pretty good. So let's just start with this. At the moment I've got the band at the bottom here and the watch, so I'm just gonna lift this slowly. This is a really, really unique design. So you've got the watch on the left, designed by Apple in California, booklet here. A little bit of paperwork, no Apple stickers, power brick. As you can see, the Apple Watch. Let's just hang on here. I mean, what? This is like buying a premium watch. I mean, this is soft fabric that's covering the watch. The layout, the opening, the unboxing is just amazing. Anyway, so in the box you get this charger. It's not a fast charger, the normal standard charger. The magnetic USB charger for the Apple Watch, nothing special here. And of course you get the Apple Watch. I've got a 40mm Apple Watch here. This feels so soft. Before I actually unwrap this Apple, I just want to move this to one side and have a look at this band. And why is it boxed separately? White sport band. Okay, so you got the small, medium, and medium large. I'm usually a small medium. Same high quality rubber. Put the black one here. Let's put this to one side. No Apple stickers, unfortunately. And have a look at this. So this is a 40mm Apple Watch. Not sure how you actually take this out. Okay, so you just push, take it out of the sleeve. Instantly, you're able to tell the difference between this watch. Wow. So this watch is a lot more rounded on the edges, a lot slimmer and a lot lighter. This is the non-LTE, but this one still has a subtle black color crown. Looks amazing. There's a single speaker here. The button is flushed as well, so it doesn't stick out anymore. Two speakers on this side, and of course on the butt, all new design. This is a lot thinner, a lot slimmer. And that's it for the unboxing. Just before we finish over here, I just want to say you can use previous Apple Watches, bands and stuff like that, so you don't have to get rid of it. This is the biggest change since Series 1. This is just an amazing from the unboxing experience and having the watch. I mean, the design, the screen, how lightweight it is, the difference of look from the previous version. There's so much more. I can't really wait to use it. I'm gonna power it on, set it up, and see what it feels like on my hand. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and I'll see you.